Oh, this is brutal. This is brutal. Oh my god. You know what? I gotta figure out a good... You dropped it.
Nope.
Oh shit. This is now turned into a search and rescue mission. Oh shit. Now he's under me. He's tickling me. Nice. Fly fishing with one arm.
Nice.
Yeah.
He's as big as Casco, man. You fucker. Oh, he's taking us for a ride, boys. Jesus Murphy. Oh, and there he goes. This guy's a cast, a broken boat, 2 rods. Oh my god, man. Oh my god, bro, get out of here. Not enough. Get going. Look what you did, man. Oh fuck. It's on my head. No. Damian's got a fish. Pike. Jesus. No. No, not that. I hope I didn't catch no damn turtle. I hope I didn't. Yeah, it's taking me everywhere. It's pulling me in circles. I really hope it's not another pike. Nope. Holy shit. Not bad. Not bad at all. Ah! He's fucking pulling me. Yeah, we don't need a net. I would have loved a net. Oh my god, it looks so free. Oh. Oh my god. He's turning me, bro. Oh god. Oh, I almost got a back cramp. Hey, give me your hand.
Look at that thing. Give me your good hand.
I'm trying to.
Okay.
No, my drink. I just fell all over my nose. Hold on, let me walk with you. Oh my god, give me your hand.
Oh wow.
Come back here. Oh yeah, it's been on this whole time.
Get the fuck away from me.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun,
You wanna
dun,
make a viral video?
Oh my God, get in
Attack
them.
nipple.
Oh no, it's not funny, it's not funny, I'm sorry. I have to pee so badly, dude. Oh my God.
Come here, big boy.
Oh. Motherfucker, bro. He splashed the shit out of me. I don't even know if the lens is clear now. Okay, we're going for a ride. He splashed me so good.
Don't shake, please don't shake, please don't shake. No!
He's gone.
Yeah,
That's okay.
we got the footage.
Yeah, oh, for sure I got the footage. Not product. Right on. If we can reach. Yeah. That was a big fish.
That's a nice one. I'm gonna have like that all day.
Huge tan line. You're gonna. All right, yo, Damian. Damian, tell them what happened.
Well, I'm going downhill. Board got a little wobble.
And what happened? Someone gave you a rag and fucking.
Rag to clean up the blood.
What else?
And painkiller.